So guys, the topic that we are covering today is the pronouns. The pronouns. So this is the topic that we are going to start today. We all understand what are pronouns. We have read it a lot, we have learned it a lot, and we actually know it. What are pronouns? So actual में pronouns होते क्या हैं? एक होते हैं nouns. Then the other term used is pronouns. अब pronouns हम किसको बोल सकते हैं? Pronouns वो सब चीजें हैं जो noun के behalf पे use होती हैं. So noun के behalf पे. So we call them the pronouns. Noun के behalf पे. Noun is a name. Name के behalf पे जब हम कुछ और उसको बुलाते हैं person को, so we call him by a pronoun. So let me write down. A pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun. It's as simple as that. जो हम noun की जगह पे use करते हैं उसको हम pronoun कहते हैं. For example, we say Dr. Rajiv is a teacher. So he's a teacher, right? अब if you remember, मैंने बोला Dr. Rajiv is a teacher. The second line that I spoke is he is a teacher. So I use the word he. He teaches us communicative, right? So I use the word he here. So he is a pronoun. That means I did not repeat the name again. So to avoid repeating this name, I use the word pronoun. Pronoun is he. I use the word he in replace of his name Rajiv. Now, what are the different kinds of it? There are few kinds of pronouns. So what are all the different kinds of pronouns? We say personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal. The name states in itself. Pronouns which stand for persons. इंसानों के लिए, बंदों के लिए यूज किया जाता है, ठीक है? सो उसको हम पर्सनल प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई से ही, आई से हिज, आई से योर्स, दिस इज अ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. दीज आर पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. So personal pronouns can be the subject of a sentence. Subject of a sentence, I can also say in case of nominative. So nominative case के time पे, right? For example, I write a letter to my friend. So as simple as that, a nominative case. And I have used personal pronoun. I मतलब मैं. किसको? My friend. ठीक है? So this is a right case of personal pronoun being used as a subject for a sentence. Personal pronoun can be used as the object of the verb. हम किसी भी verb के object में भी use कर सकते हैं उसको. Example, it can be, so if I say he gave me a pencil, he gave me a pencil. I can also say he gave us some juice. उसने हमें कुछ जूस दिया, उसने हमें पेंसिल दी. सो वी आर यूजिंग इट in case of object of the verb, right? So we can use it as the object of a verb. So object of a verb is, it is accusative case. Next, next. I can also say personal pronoun can be used in a possessive case. Possessive, possession, possessive is possession basically. So possessive case. These are my trousers. possessive हो गया ना, मेरी हैं, my trousers. This bag is his. ये उसका बैग है. So these are all possessive cases. Okay, these are all possessive cases. Now I can also use it as a case of pronoun. So हमने cases use किया है. So what do you actually mean by this word case of pronoun? So firstly it is nominative case, possessive case. possessive case को हम genitive case भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. So it is nominative case, it is possessive case, objective. objective को हम accusative case भी बोलते हैं. Nominative case, if I use the word I, so it is a nominative case. possession में क्या होगा? I के केस में this book is mine, ये possession हो गया मेरा. objective के केस में I always use the word me. I say we are, so nominative case हो गया ना. Then अगर हमने we use किया तो what words do we use? We use ours. And objective, us. We have used you. We have already learned about them in the above sentences, right? You. We may use he. We may use she. We may use it. We may use they. Okay. So, how can we convert you into a possessive one? So, possessive के केस में बन जाएगा yours. Objective के केस में क्या बनेगा? Objective के केस में बनेगा you. He. Simple है he का तो his. And it will be him. She, अगर he का his है, she का hers. and objective would be her. What would it be for it? It का होगा its. Objective में use it as it. They. Theirs. Them. Right? ये हैं cases of pronouns. We may also use the genders. We remember we have already completed the gender of nouns. Now we are completing actually the gender of pronouns. So the gender of pronouns. Masculine, may not be possible to complete it on this page. So I'm using the another one. Okay. Gender of pronouns. Gender of pronouns, right? Masculine, feminine. दो ही जेंडर होते हैं, मैस्कुलिन फेमिनाइन. नाउन्स के केस में और भी होते हैं, न्यूटर भी होता है वहां पे. ओके, सो मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनाइन. सो मैस्कुलिन हमने कुछ देखा था कि आई मैस्कुलिन में भी आई होता है और फेमिनाइन में भी आई होता है. ओके, देन वी. इसमें भी वी होगा. यू. इट वुड बी यू. अब चेंज आएगा. नाउ इट वुड बी ही का शी. इट वुड बी ही का शी. It will remain the same as it. They. They. Right? So these are the genders of pronouns. If you remember, we have also done the number of nouns. So we'll also be doing the number of pronouns. Number of pronouns. So numbers, singular और plural दो ही होते हैं. Pronouns में I क्या रेफर करता है? Pronouns में I refers to first person. So I, if I say I have this book, so whom am I refer to? I am referring to myself. So I am the first person in this case. Okay? So I means first person. And what do we use the word? In case of a plural, so we refer to the word we. So I, we. What does U stands for? U stands for second person. So U stands for second person. So second person is you. If you remember he, she, it, what does this all stands for? This all stands for third person. So plural के केस में third person would be they. राइट. प्लूरल के केस में थर्ड पर्सन वुड बी दे. These were all. These were all which type of pronouns? Personal. Next is the second category. The second category is reflexive pronouns. Reflexive. Reflex, the name states itself. When the action done by the subject, when the action done by the subject reflects back upon the subject itself. The pronoun used is called reflexive pronoun. ठीक है. सो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन, जब भी हम एक्शन करते हैं डन बाय द सब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट मतलब आप, जो मेन सब्जेक्ट है, रिफ्लेक्ट्स बैक अपॉन द सब्जेक्ट इटसेल्फ, वो एक्शन सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर ही रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, उसको हम रिफ्लेक्सिव बोलते हैं, रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. सो इफ आई से he cooked the dishes for herself, उसने अपने cooked the dishes for herself. So उसने अपने लिए dishes बनाई, right? So किसके ऊपर रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है? उसके अपने ऊपर. So I can say I hurt myself while cutting the. अब क्या रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है कि मेरे बारे में बात हो रही है, हर्ट माई सेल्फ, मैंने अपने आप को हर्ट कर लिया. कब? जब मैं वेजिटेबल्स काट रहा था. सो आई एंड माई सेल्फ. ठीक है. सो ये एंड फॉर्मेशन, इनकी फॉर्मेशन कैसे होती है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम बोले सिंगुलर, इफ आई से सिंगुलर और आई से प्लूरल, सो कैसे होगी? सिंगुलर माई प्लस सेल्फ, इट बिकम्स माई सेल्फ. Singular, your plus self, it becomes yourself. तो प्लूरल के केस में क्या होगा? If I say your plus selves, so it becomes yourselves. ठीक है. इसी तरह प्लूरल के केस में इफ आई से them plus selves, themselves. So in case of plural, it means I'm talking of more than one. I'm not talking of one single identity or individual, right? So I might be talking of more than one. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Plural. Okay. So this was reflexive. Next is so the third one are emphatic pronouns. So emphatic, when we have to lay emphasizes on something, it is known as emphatic pronouns. So for laying emphasizes, हम emphatic pronouns यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा इसका? I myself. So this is an emphatic pronoun. Clear? Then comes the fourth category, which is indefinitive. indefinite. ठीक है, indefinite. So indefinite कौन से होते हैं? A pronoun which stands for, कोई भी ऐसा pronoun which stands for a person, कोई भी ऐसा pronoun which stands for a place or thing in general and does not particularize it, इसको हम indefinite pronoun कहते हैं. So if I give you an example, it makes the sentence more clear. Indefinite. So all were present at the meeting. सब लोग present थे. All. I have not given the number, so it is indefinite. जितने भी लोग थे सब present थे. Nobody can be as kind as God. जितने गॉड काइंड हैं और कोई भी उतना काइंड नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है, सो दीज आर indefinite pronouns. Indefinite मतलब there is no definite structure, there is no definite thing, limited नहीं है. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative, the name suggests itself, so they are actually easy to understand. Demonstrative, those pronouns which are used to point out objects. For example, if I say this, if I say that, I may say these. So these are all demonstrative pronouns. So a part of it, the pronoun this. So जब मैंने this लिखा है, किस चीज के लिए हम यूज करते हैं this? If I've written pronoun this, so the pronoun this is used to point out a single object. किसी भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट को पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए. दिस इज माई पेन, सो विच इज क्लोजर टू स्पीकर, जो कि स्पीकर के पास है, विच इज क्लोजर टू द स्पीकर, उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए हम दिस यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, दैट. वेयर डू वी यूज दैट? That. So that is used to point out a single object, which is used to point out a single object which is at a distance, from the speaker. Speaker से थोड़ी दूर है, which is at a distance from the speaker. Third, these is used. कहाँ पे हम these यूज करते हैं? जब to point out more than one object, जो एक से ज्यादा है, and are close to the speaker, और speaker के close है. D, and are close to the speaker. ठीक है, so D हो गया those. दोज हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? दोज इज यूज्ड टू पॉइंट आउट किस चीज को? मोर देन वन ऑब्जेक्ट, एक ऑब्जेक्ट से ज्यादा, एट ए डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द स्पीकर, right? So it clarifies the use of the word this, that, these, and those. It clarifies their uses. Okay. Next, sixth. So we have eight pronouns. Okay. Six. Distributive. I'll take your questions in few minutes. Let me just finish off them and then I'll take all your questions. Okay. So distributive. The pronouns which, कौन से, refers to a person or thing if I say one at a time, one at a time. Okay. So for example, I say either of you can go. So दोनों में से कोई भी एक जा सकता है, either of you. So I say each of the girls has finished their homework. So each, ठीक है? I can say the word either and the word neither. So the word either and the word neither are used when two pronouns, when two persons are referred to. जब दो बंदों को हम रेफर करते हैं, दो या दो से ज्यादा, ठीक है? So तब neither is used in negative sense. neither मतलब तुम दोनों में से कोई नहीं जाओगे, neither of you will go, right? either of you will go कि हाँ आप दोनों में से कोई एक जा सकता है. So next is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns कौन से होते हैं? Which are used to ask the questions. जो हम questions को use करने के लिए, question पूछने के लिए जो हम use करते हैं. For example, ऐसे कौन से pronouns है जो हम question यूजने के लिए, question पूछने के लिए use करते हैं? Whose book is this? I can also use who is there in the kitchen. Kitchen में कौन है, ठीक है? These are interrogative. So I can also say what is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Clear guys? Next, eighth. Relative pronoun. Relative. So I have already explained this in my previous topic also. Okay, what is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun means when it shows a relation with someone. So when a pronoun is referring to the preceding, पीछे वाला noun, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Relative pronoun. So I can say it performs two functions. कौन कौन से? It performs two functions. So what are those functions? So I can write it here. Used in lieu of noun. So we have done this sentence earlier as well, whereby I have said Dr. Rajiv is teaching English. He is a good teacher. So I have used the word he after instead of using the word Dr. Rajiv again, right? So I can also say it connects it connects two statements. Hence is also helpful in using as a conjunction, though it is not. So हो या ना हो, conjunction नहीं भी है, still we use that word. So what are the relative pronouns? So I can say the relative pronouns can be, for example, who, what, whom, that, which. ठीक है, ये सब relative pronouns होते हैं.